Guys, in this video I'm bringing to you guys another legit site or AI training website that you can sign up to and start making money for yourself. And this site is 100% accurate. I've done my research on the site. That's why I decided to apply to it. So I'm bringing it to you guys to also apply, and hopefully you get accepted and you start making money for yourself. And the pay here is generous. The pay on this website is generous, and the website is called Aligner. So I'm going to be showing you my screen so you get to see my profile. So this is the website. Welcome back, Harriet. This is my motherboard. This is my page. I already signed up. So all the sites I'm bringing to you are new sites that I just signed up. So I did my research before signing up to them. They're willing to pay you $40 to $120 per hour. Same thing, almost the same thing. So the least amount they're willing to pay is from $30 to $120. So yeah, also it depends on your expertise, but mostly I apply to to simple tasks like generalist writing jobs, generalist data labeling jobs. Those are the things I apply to because I do not have a knowledge of software development. So if you're like me and you do not have software, or you do not have expertise in coding or software or anything, make sure when you apply to this website, you apply to generalist positions. So these are the ones that I've applied to, 7 of them. I applied to them like a week ago. I haven't been accepted yet. So this is the website, aligner.com. You can also apply, and it also has referrals, but in order for you to lock your referrals, you have to do a job. So I haven't done any job yet, so I won't be able to give you guys my referral link, but do well to sign up. But if you do have expertise if you do have knowledge in different jobs, you can apply to them. In terms of other STEM, you get to see different jobs on the website. So this is my profile, my earnings. If I go on my earnings, you can see I have 0, meaning I'm just a newcomer. I just signed up to it, so I haven't made any money yet. So let's go to the home page. So most people have applied to all these jobs that you're seeing. So they are willing to pay you from $40 to $120 an hour. For example, English writing generalists get paid to shape how AI writes and communicates. Put your English writing skills to work on cutting-edge AI projects. Fully remote and flexible. Get paid to shape the future of AI. Valid content across any topic from anywhere. No experience needed. Meaning you do not need to have experience on this website. You do not need to have experience on coding, software, or anything. You just need to know how to speak both English language or whatever language that you're good at, and you get paid. But the dilemma on this site is the waiting period for you to get accepted. Most people do tell me it takes from 2 to 4 weeks for you to get accepted. So fingers crossed, when I do get accepted, I'll document it and bring it to you guys on this channel. And when I get my first pay also, I'll bring it to you guys to see. But I'm doing this video because I want you guys to also seize the opportunity, sign up, be on the waiting list like me, and let's make money together. So guys, that's it for this video. Do well to leave a like, comment. If you've tried it before, do well to leave a comment. If you have any experience on these sites before, leave a comment. It might help somebody else. If you have any recommendations, tell us in the comment section. You never know when you're going to help. So thank you all. Do well to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Ciao ciao.